Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you're probably one of the millions of Americans who depend on Social Security. And listen closely. October 2025 just delivered some surprising positive news that's adding extra money to seniors' bank accounts nationwide. But here's what matters. Not everyone is receiving these payments on the same date. And there are some urgent alerts from the Social Security Administration you absolutely must hear about today. Stick around because we're covering everything. The specific payment schedules, who qualifies for what, the fraud warnings you cannot miss, and a resource that could save you countless headaches. Before we jump in, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and activate notifications. We share Social Security updates, retirement insights, and money management tips several times each week, and you won't want to miss what's coming up. So, what's got everyone excited? 3 significant developments this month are bringing relief to seniors nationwide. First, the Cost of Living Adjustment, or COLA, announced earlier in October, is now taking effect. Based on Social Security Administration data, the 2025 COLA boost pushes the average retirement benefit to roughly $1,976 monthly. That's increased from $1,927 in 2024. We're looking at almost $50 additional each month, totaling around $600 more annually. Now, I understand many of you feel this isn't sufficient given current inflation rates, and your concerns are valid. But let me explain the SSA's methodology. They use the Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, known as CPIW. This measures specific expenses including food, housing, and health care from the third quarter of 2024. The calculation is mandated by federal legislation. While it may not be ideal, it's intended to help benefits match increasing costs. Second, Supplemental Security Income Beneficiaries, SSI, received their October payment ahead of schedule. Since November 1st lands on a Friday this year, SSI recipients got their November payment on October 31st. This means some individuals received 2 SSI payments in October. If that happened to you, don't worry. You weren't accidentally paid twice. This is normal protocol when the first falls on a weekend or federal holiday. Third, Medicare Part B premiums got adjusted, and for many beneficiaries, they actually decreased slightly or remained steady versus expectations. The standard Part B premium for 2025 stands at $185 monthly. Per the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, because this gets automatically subtracted from Social Security payments, a reduced premium translates to more cash remaining after the COLA boost. Combine all 3 factors and you understand why October represents a victory for seniors. Now, let's discuss the payment calendar because this creates confusion and understandably causes frustration. Social Security doesn't distribute payments to everyone simultaneously. The SSA operates a staggered distribution schedule determined by your birth date. Here's the precise schedule for October 2025. October 3rd, Wednesday. If you began collecting benefits before May 1997, or if you get both Social Security and SSI, your deposit arrived October 3rd, October 9th, 2nd Wednesday. If your birthday is between the 1st and 10th of any month, your payment posted October 9th, October 15th, 3rd Wednesday, birthdays between the 11th and 20th. Your deposit came October 15th. October 22nd, 4th Wednesday, birthdays between the 21st and 31st. You got your payment October 22nd. If you're viewing this after your designated date and haven't seen your payment, here's your action plan. First, review your bank account thoroughly. Occasionally, deposits appear under different names or labels. Second, allow 1 extra business day. Banking institutions sometimes experience processing lags. Third, if it's been over 1 business day beyond your payment date, call the SSA without delay. Phone lines operate Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m., local time. And here's essential advice. If you're still getting paper checks rather than direct deposit, you must switch immediately. Paper checks face mail delays. They're vulnerable to theft and significantly less secure. The SSA actively promotes and sometimes mandates direct deposit. It's quicker, more secure, and you receive your funds on the scheduled date. All right, this following section is critical and demands your full attention because fraudsters are becoming increasingly clever each month. The Social Security Administration's Office of the Inspector General issued an alert in late September 2025 regarding a significant surge in Social Security-related fraud. Here are the primary schemes affecting seniors currently. The suspended benefits phone call. You receive a call or message claiming your Social Security number got suspended because of suspicious behavior, and you must confirm your details immediately or lose your benefits. This is completely fraudulent. The SSA never suspends Social Security numbers and won't pressure you via phone. The Enhanced Benefits Email. Fraudsters send authentic-appearing emails stating you qualify for an exclusive benefits boost, but you must click a hyperlink and provide personal data to receive it. Never click. The SSA doesn't process benefit modifications through email hyperlinks. The overpayment fraud. Someone contacts you saying you received excess payments and must repay immediately through wire transfer, prepaid cards, or digital currency. Legitimate overpayment notifications arrive via postal mail, don't require instant payment, and the SSA never requests payment using gift cards. Remember this fundamental principle. The Social Security Administration won't contact you by phone, text, or email requesting your Social Security number, banking details, or requiring immediate payment. Period. If you get any such communication, disconnect immediately. If you believe you've been approached, or hopefully this hasn't occurred, if you've already shared information, notify the SSA's fraud department instantly. You can submit a complaint online at oig.ssa.gov. Speed is crucial in these circumstances. And please inform older relatives, grandparents, or anyone vulnerable in your circle. These criminals are merciless and deliberately focus on seniors. We must safeguard one another. If you're benefiting from this content, please click that like button. It enables us to reach additional people who require this information. The Social Security Administration has developed several valuable digital resources that can eliminate significant time and hassle. Let me guide you through the essential ones. My Social Security account, ssa.gov/myaccount. This serves as your individual dashboard where you can review your benefit sum, access your payment record, obtain a substitute SSA 1099 for tax purposes, modify your address, and establish or adjust direct deposit. If you haven't registered yet, setup requires approximately 10 minutes, and it's among the best decisions you can make. You'll require an email, Social Security number, and U.S. postal address, the SSA's smartphone application for iPhone and Android. This provides access to numerous identical features via mobile. You can verify your payment information wherever, whenever. The Retirement Calculator. If you haven't retired yet but are preparing, this resource at ssa.gov/benefits/retirement/estimator.html displays projected benefits using your genuine Social Security earnings history. It's remarkably precise and assists you in determining the optimal age to begin collecting. The Benefit Confirmation Letter. Require income verification for a home loan, rental, or credit application. You can immediately download an authentic benefit confirmation letter via your My Social Security account rather than awaiting postal delivery. Additionally, Medicare's open enrollment period operates from October 15th through December 7th annually. If you need to modify your Medicare plan for 2026, this is your window. Check medicare.gov or phone to examine your choices. So, what lies ahead as we approach late 2025 and enter 2026? November and December distributions. The payment calendar remains consistent. When you know your birth date, you know your payment Wednesday. SSI beneficiaries get their December payment on November 29th since December 1st is a Sunday. Tax preparation planning. Your Social Security benefit document, Form SSA 1099, becomes accessible by early February 2026. You'll require this for tax filing. If your combined income, incorporating Social Security, surpasses specific limits, $25,000 for singles, $32,000 for married filing jointly, part of your benefits might be taxable. Prepare accordingly. Medicare modifications. As noted, any adjustments you implement during open enrollment become active January 1st, 2026. Examine your medication expenses, provider networks, and maximum out-of-pocket costs thoroughly. 2026 COLA Revelation. The Social Security Administration will reveal the 2026 cost of living adjustment in mid-October 2025. Actually, that should occur imminently. If it hasn't been revealed yet when you're viewing this, monitor this channel because we'll analyze it immediately upon release. Your most crucial action currently is staying educated. Social Security regulations evolve, payment calendars change, and fraudsters refine their strategies. That's precisely why this platform operates. Knowledge empowers you to maximize your benefits, avoid costly errors, and protect yourself from exploitation. The Social Security system can seem overwhelming, but understanding these fundamentals helps you navigate it confidently. Remember, these benefits aren't handouts. They're earned through decades of contributions from your paychecks. You've invested in this system throughout your career, and now it's returning that investment. Whether you're recently retired or have been collecting for years, staying current with changes ensures you're receiving everything you're entitled to. Also, consider this. Millions of Americans leave money unclaimed because they don't understand the system fully. They might claim benefits too early, missing thousands in lifetime payments. They might not realize they qualify for spousal or survivor benefits. They might not know about options to suspend and restart benefits for higher payments later. Information truly equals money when dealing with Social Security. The October 2025 updates demonstrate that positive changes do occur within the system. While the COLA increase might not completely offset inflation, it provides meaningful relief. The Medicare premium stability helps preserve more of that increase, and the SSA's ongoing improvements to online services make managing your benefits easier than ever. But challenges remain. Scammers continue targeting vulnerable seniors with increasingly sophisticated schemes. The complexity of payment schedules still confuses many recipients, and navigating Medicare options during open enrollment can feel overwhelming without proper guidance. That's why building a community of informed beneficiaries matters so much. When we share knowledge, watch for scams together, and help each other understand changes, we all benefit. Your questions and experiences help others facing similar situations. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to this channel and activate that notification bell. We're creating a community of knowledgeable viewers who support one another, and your feedback and inquiries help us develop stronger content. Have questions? Leave them in the comments section. I review every single one, and your questions frequently inspire our upcoming videos. Let me close with this. October 2025 delivered some truly positive developments for millions of seniors. The COLA boost, stabilized Medicare premiums, and reliable payment distributions provide greater financial stability for individuals who've contributed their entire careers and earned it. But remaining educated and protecting yourself is equally vital as the financial benefits. Save those SSA resources, stay vigilant against fraud, and keep this channel in your regular viewing schedule for updates. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in our next video. Until then, look after yourselves and each other.